This is a song about the troubles of a homeless one-legged man from Minsk, losing his ass virginity to a man named Vladimir. I'll try and put on a Russian accent for this. Make it sound more authentic. Once upon a time, I sailed on a ship. They enslaved me with force from their fist and whip. I skipped leave to go to the sea with my friend Vladimir. We set sail in a two-man ship. We ate waffles and chips on the way to freedom. My friend, on him I can depend. Until the end, or so I thought, when I bought him his first sleeping lot next to the shipyard. And so quickly he pumped me in the ass, and I was discarded, permanently anally retarded. I was not happy. For the rest of my life I wear nappy. I do a little crappy in my pants. Now from Vladimir, previously my friend, let me know my friends. I fear him until the bitter end. From him I must defend. He comes at me with pace. I look upon his face. He says, I want to rob you of your innocence. Keep going, Ian. Thrust upon this story to them. Beyond the lights, beyond the world, beyond this realm, they must know of my pain. I phoned home to my mom and dad. A tear dropped down my face. They heard it on the microphone, knew I was sad. My nappy is full, I said to my mother. I found a man like no other. He pumps me in the ass, pumps me in the face, pumps me in my knees, pumps me in my shins, pumps me every way. Mama, what more can I say? I've been raped in his shit, in his feces all night. Vladimir, holding me tight. He says he loves me, I'm like a brother, a girlfriend to him. 14 hours on the treadmill at the gym. He pumps iron even when the moon is full. But now I'm the fool for believing him. Vladimir, I hope you can swim.